Okay, I got a router here, DEWALT. The I don't know what model. DWP 611 doesn't turn on anymore. That means that the brushes are probably worn out. So I got a set of brushes off Amazon, less than 20 bucks for a set of two. And I'm gonna show you how to change those out real quick. Takes about 5 minutes, and you'll be and your row will be working good as new. All right, I have here a number T20 Torx. That's what's going to be needed for the four screws up top of the router. Okay, so you'll notice that there's two long ones and two short ones. Two short ones go at the back by the cord, long ones at the front. In here, and behind this spring, is where one of the brushes go, and the other side, here's a better angle, is where the other brush goes, right in there. So we're gonna wiggle those out of there and put the new ones in. First, you gotta unplug them. The spring, lift it up, pull it out. The spring in there, don't let it fall out. This is one of the brushes. This is one of the new brushes. See the difference in size? The old one's quite worn out. So I've got my little jewelry screwdrivers here. So you can get in there, and then you can pull it out. Keeping the cable, the wire on the left side, because that's where the port is to plug it into. There, slid in. Might be a little bit snug going on just because they're new, but a little bit of force. There, now it's on. All right, you can see we have it plugged in again. The rotor is held in by the spring. The spring is in behind it, pushing it forward into the motor. Okay, now we just have to repeat on the opposite side. Again, pretty worn out. Again, keeping the wire to the left side. Using my little screwdriver to get the spring back out. Slide it in. Get the spring onto the back of the brush. Well, and then we just plug it back on. All right, there we go. Side number two. Wire on the left side, spring behind the brush, cable plug back on. Then we assemble. This can only go on one way. Obviously, the switch goes here, the front, and then the two long screws at the front. Oh, and the two short ones at the back. Okay. All right, so that's how easy it is to change the brushes on your router. When it's not working, you think it's dead, don't toss it. Get yourself some new brushes just off of Amazon for under 20 bucks. I got two sets in here. Change them out in a matter of 5 minutes, and you're back up and running.